Hey everyone! In this video, I'm reviewing the Purinose Inhaler, a product that claims to help control appetite and support weight loss through natural aromatherapy. Marketed as an easy, non-invasive solution, many are asking, does it really work? Or is it just another scam? The Purinose Inhaler uses essential oils like grapefruit and cinnamon to supposedly curb cravings and boost metabolism when inhaled. While aromatherapy has some wellness benefits, there's little scientific evidence that simply inhaling these scents leads to meaningful weight loss. Customer reviews are mixed. Some users say it helps with occasional cravings, but most report no real effect on appetite or weight. Many feel it's more of a placebo than a true solution. If you're thinking about trying the Purinose Inhaler, keep expectations realistic. If this review helped you decide, please give it a like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.